listening to me, I said I got a typewriter keyboard. Now that I'm not ashy, I can actually be on camera. But good morning, happy Friday, happy Virgo season. It's Friday for me. I don't know what day it is for you, but I just got a lot of my packages and I just felt like I should actually do a haul of this. I normally don't promote capitalism type vibes, but I'm really excited about all this stuff, so I wanted to share it with you. So hello there, welcome and welcome back. If you're new here, I am Quin. I'm a mathematician by trade, baddie by day, menace at night, and I'm all about wellness and productivity and authenticity and work-life balance, etc. So since I am a mathematician by trade, I did get my bachelor's degree in mathematics in 2019, and I'm now getting my PhD. I'm in my final year as of right now. It's the end of August 2023, and I have splurged. I'm finally at a place where I'm creating the home office of my dreams. And almost all of the packages are here. I have always a wish list on my phone of things I want, and I finally just waited until this time because it's also back to school time. Is also around my birthday. My birthday is September 5th. So this is like birthday present, back to school, all in one for me. It's an extravaganza. Oh my god. So yeah, every year I do a little something, and so I've built up to this haul, and I'm so excited. For my productivity babes, let's understand when we shop and things, we don't always have to do that, but when we do, we need to make sure that we have paid off any past due balances, we have paid any current balances, and we have put something in the savings. So I accumulated all that money, but I still took those steps. Then I gave myself an allotted amount of money to spend. I literally gave myself a budget, and then I said, what do I want to get within my budget? Let's fucking get into it. Oh my god, let's fucking get into it. Y'all, I want to say that I bought according to my hot list. I have 3 priority areas that I work on and that I talk about, which are my fitness journey. I am currently on a body recomposition journey. I've lost 60 pounds so far, and I'm trying to get a fat dumpy, okay? And a nice, strong, muscular back. That's my fitness goals. And then I also have a goal of finishing my PhD. I'm writing my dissertation. I am halfway through it. I'm making another project. I'm in my final year, so I need things for coding and studying and all that good jazz. And then I also am doing this content creator thing, sharing my life, talking about what's important to me. So that means I need vlogging equipment, so I wanted to upgrade some stuff, and I had to renew some subscriptions, etc. So those are the areas of my shopping. So let's fucking open these packages, because the way I've been sitting like a dog at the door waiting for these packages, the way I couldn't sleep because I've been waiting on them, and I've been waiting on them. So I'm just really happy that they're here now so that I can open it. So I'm gonna open it, and then I'm gonna pile it up accordingly, and then we'll go through it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is in here, this is in here. Oh, God bless. Oh. Okay, that is a lot. Could I do that without hurting things? Amen. See if there's one more package. thank the good Lord, there are 2 more. It was literally just that they didn't place those by my mailbox. They just placed them in the mail room. So I had to dig through to see which ones had my name on them, because everybody ordering shit. But they're there, so amen. Continue unboxing. I just did my inventory, and I think we have maybe 1 thing missing, but otherwise we are fantastic. I am so hungry still. So the things I bought for my fitness journey, I bought to help further along the habits I'm forming right now. And let me just say that making things pretty makes me like doing things. Dressing up and having aesthetic pins and colors and writing cute notes and like just beautifying things makes my experience better. So that's my approach towards everything. Myself, decorating my body, decorating my apartment. I love it. Anyway, so I'm getting back on track, so I bought things to help with that. So I'm just gonna go through the list of what I got and share why. First, I got a thinner Apple Watch band. This one is much thinner and it doesn't take up so much space. I normally wear my Apple Watch band on this hand, but I got a new tattoo, so it's healing and I can't wear anything on this side. But even when I can, I don't want it to be so big that it'll cover it, so I got a new band so that it won't cover my tattoos. Like, it's not covering these really good, so I think it'll be good on this side as well. I got some more lifting gloves because I somehow lost mine. If you watched my week of workouts video, then you saw that I don't have mine anymore suddenly. So I bought some more. These are the ones that just go to the top of your fingers. I don't like the ones that cover your whole hand. That makes me uncomfortable, but I do need these because taking my rings on and off is just not fun. And if I have the lifting gloves, then it's easier to commit to my arm day. I only got a few new gym clothes because I really like the catalog I have right now. So I got some gym clothes from Amazon. I got some leggings. I have a lot of colorful shorts that I've been wearing throughout the summer, and I'm sure I'll still wear them in the fall. But in the fall, I'm more of a dark academia type vibe girly. I'm so ready for it. So I need a little more black and a little more dark colors. So I wanted to get some more black bottoms for working out in them because I have lost weight. So I've had a lot of stuff in extra larges that I can't fit anymore. I'm more of a medium large depending on the brand. So I had to get some more workout bottoms. So I got just 1 pair of black leggings with the booty scrunch thing on it because isn't that so cute? It just makes your booty look so sexy. I love it. I got some booty scrunch shorts. These are the shorts, exactly the same shorts that I wear in the different colors but just in black. So I got 2 of those with the booty scrunch in them. Some black bottoms to wear to the gym. I have my black and white tops. I have my jackets. I did get 1 more long sleeve white top for the winter time. I'm just so ready for fall. I know it's technically still summer, but it actually gets cold here in Richmond, so I need to prepare now. Next thing I know, it'll be October and it'll be 60 degrees and I'll be crying because anything under 7 degrees is criminal. So yeah, I got another long sleeve one. The white one I have now is a V-neck, and I like the up to the neck look. Also, I wanted to get some joggers. I wanted to get these in black as well, like I said, but they were out of my size in black. So I had to get them in this cream color, but that's also fire. So I can see that really well with some of the cardigans that I have, and with the, like I said, these black and white long sleeve shirts. And I also really like the small top big pants look, so like sweatpants and sports bras. I love that with like some socks and sneakers. I'm just ready for the fall. Okay, I'm thinking about this full year, okay, because it's cold here for Richmond from October to March. Like October to March, you need to start putting something on your arms. got also this mini bag. So I go on my daily walks, as we know, and I'm really trying to appreciate the fuck out of them because I want to be able to do them in the winter. I really, really hate the cold, even though I'm excited about it cooling down. But I hate the cold, and I need some way to like bring all my things with me. Now that I'm doing vlogging so much this semester, I need more than just my fanny pack. Like I have my fanny pack with my essentials, but then I also need my camera and my phone and my chargers and my stand, and I can't put all that in my fanny pack, but I can put it in a little book bag. So, you know, this bag and then my fanny pack, and I don't feel like I'm about to die. And I think it's also super cute. And it has some zippers here on the back side. It has one super big compartment with, ooh, some, I love little pockets. I love little pockets. Then there's still 2 more zippers, so I'm obsessed. And I just have to tighten it on myself. Is that possible? It is. Oh, praise God, you can tighten it on this side. So this is to go on my walks. I picture and envision my life before I do things so that I can see how I'm going to do them. And I picture myself on my walks in the fall with my cozy white socks and my black tights and my sweaters and my headphones and my bag and, you know, vlogging and reading outside and like doing yoga in the park. Like I think about these things, and I think about how do I want to feel doing these things? How do I want to look when I do these things? And I want to feel comfortable. I want to feel sexy. Black makes me feel sexy, and having my stuff with me makes me feel prepared, which makes me confident. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. So I also got a mini hooded dryer. You all haven't seen my hair in flexi rods in probably a year because the one I had, the hooded part and the dryer disconnected, so it stopped working. So here's hoping that this doesn't happen to this one. If you have locks, the longer they get especially, but even at the beginning, you need to dry them fully so that you don't grow mold inside your locks and so they don't smell. And that means you need either a blow dryer or a dryer of some sort so that you can dry it out. Like air drying is fine, but the professionals say you need a dryer. But especially if you're going to style your hair. I can let it air dry when I do twists, but when I do flexi rod sets or barrel twists or anything that's going to be like really tight together, that will stay wet in my hair if I don't get under a dryer. So I need to dry my hair. So I'm excited. I can finally do flexi rod sets. Like I love curls. If you don't know, I don't think you've ever seen my hair straight like that because it's just not my vibe. But I can do more curls now. I want to try pipe cleaner curls and like all that shit. I'm really excited. Really, really excited. Really, really excited to be able to do more to my hair. Like I love being able to do more to my hair. Like having locks is the best thing I've ever decided. I can decide if I want my hair short, if I want it long, if I want it curly, if I want it straight, if I want it up, if I want it freaky. Obsessed. I also got some things from Gymshark because listen, I've been influenced. I showed y'all my fitness Instagram that I made where I follow all the baddies that just get me going and I need to make my way to the gym and I'm procrastinating. I scroll on this page and looking at them and seeing their routines and their motivation words and stuff like gets me going. And so those girlies have a lot of Gymshark. Okay, they do. So I've been influenced. I didn't really get any clothes because the last time I had Gymshark clothes, I didn't really know about the sizing, and I'm still trying to sculpt my body right now, so I want to get Gymshark clothes and then have to get more. So I'm gonna just wait until we get that deal going one day to worry about that, and until I get some more monies, because like I said, I had an allotted amount and I had other priorities. So I did get some accessories though, no clothes. I got a gym bag. I got a big gym bag. I have several things to keep with me at all times. Several things. So I need something to hold those things in, obviously. So, oh, she's beautiful. Oh, she's so soft. She's so soft. Look at her. She's so smooth. That's so smooth. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with that, honestly. Okay. So this is what she looks like. I believe I saw Court on Instagram with this. And I was like, okay.
I saw Katie Heron wearing army pants and flip-flops, so I bought army pants and flip-flops.
Yeah, I'll get that one. Yeah, thank you, you know? And I got it because I need to carry things like shoes and tripods and camera bags, and sometimes I carry that in this bag. Sometimes I carry it in my school bag. Like sometimes maybe I should get it its own bag, but there's mini bags. Mini bags. Speaking of mini bags, just quickly, I got this bag as well. I didn't know it was a brand because I don't know things like that. But I got it from Dick's Sporting Goods. I was shopping for these clothes here. I wanted a winter set, and I saw this bag and I was like, this is perfect. It's giving purse, it's spacious. I literally have tennis shoes in here right now. Literally the day I bought it, Alyssa actually posted on her story that she also has it, and I was like, oh, okay. So I'm doing the fit things then. But anyway, so I've been using this one and I'm obsessed with it. I want to use this one more for in my car so I can keep the big things like the barbell pad I got and my yoga mat that I take for my park walks and my tripod and a blanket for also being in the park. So just like things I want to keep on the go to be able to grab quickly. I'm gonna put them all in here. And then this is my like in the gym bag, my shoes, my deodorant, you know, gym bag essentials. We can do a separate little video on that as well. But yes, I bought a barbell pad because folding up them mats in the gym is hazardous. It's stinky. It's nasty on my skin. I'm getting more and more sensitive about my skin, so I'm just like, I need my own little barbell pad so I can feel safe. I want to feel safe. Thank you. And I want to do it. I want to do the hip thrust and be heavy. And like, if I don't have the excuse of, oh, it hurts, then I'm good. So like my pelvis bones. So I'm just eliminating excuses. I'm eliminating excuses now that I can. I've thought about all my excuses and what I need to do to fix them, and that's what this haul is for me and for beauty. Okay, speaking of beauty, I got some crew socks because the socks I just had on had holes in them, hence why I took them off. Many of my socks had holes in them. I just threw a bunch out and I realized that I need more. And I just love the way these look. Again, influenced. I believe it's Cord on Instagram. Like, they just look so good. I got some socks so that I can wear them with my gym fits. Like, cute gym fits really make the experience a lot better. I be in there feeling myself, feeling sexy, dancing.
I'm sexy dancing in the house. I feel like Britney Spears.
Look good, feel good, bitch. And then like I said, I'm envisioning all of my cozy fall vibes. So they had some of these rest day socks, which apparently like they do the scrunchy thing when you put them on your leg where they scrunch up like leg warmers, but they're socks. Can you feel the vibes? Because I see the vibes. Oh my gosh, I've just been holding this here. LMAO. Just so comfortable. I also bought some AirPod Maxes. Oh, okay. You heard my hip hop just then? I got some AirPod Maxes because my Beats headphones have been damaged and they short circuit, and also the pads have come off, and it's just not a good experience sometimes. I mean, they haven't fully malfunctioned, so they're not going anywhere, but I don't want the excuse. So I got these. And I also think that they just look so good. They look so good. We'll see how they look on me. I haven't really filmed them yet, so I just got these maybe a couple days ago. But so far, I love them. The soundproofing is for real. It's for real. It's for real. I won't lie. It's definitely for real. So, yes, these are all the things that I got for my fitness journey physically. I also bought 2 other things for my fitness journey. I signed up for Buku's September challenge. I have been slacking is the word. I have been slacking on my routine with the gym lately because of all of this planning, buying things, shopping for things, cleaning up, organizing, etc. I've been super productive but missing gym days and eating. Y'all, I cannot buy sweets in my house anymore. I went grocery shopping and I bought a box of cakes and a box of candy and something else, like just 3 things. Tell me why all of them were gone in 5 days. It's been over a week now, and I have several groceries left, but none of the junk food. I ate all the junk food first. I can't do that ever again. So yeah, I have the consequences of that and the consequences of slacking. I just need a little inspiration, you know what I'm saying? So I signed up for the fitness challenge because I love her. Mad motivational. Definitely one of my inspos. So I'm gonna do that for some encouragement. So that was money. And then I also bought MyFitnessPal Premium because, as I said, I realized with all of the slacking and organizing and planning my life that I have not been in a deficit. And I've been eating good protein, but I've not been eating a deficit, and I haven't been doing enough cardio. So even though I'm gaining muscle, I'm not seeing the definition I want because I'm not getting any fat loss. So in order to do that, I need to actually be cognizant of what I'm eating. So it's just easier to use MyFitnessPal with the premium. There's just so many features I feel like I need that you have to pay for. So I pay for it. And whenever I get any subscription, if I say I got a subscription, please know I pay the yearly price, because a lot of the times it is cheaper for a one-time payment. And also the thought of someone charging me something monthly makes me want to cry. I'll be damned. Absolutely not. Not anymore. So I'm just going to buy it the one time with the subscription for the 100 something when it is, and keep it pushing, because no, I don't want to deal with that anxiety. I paid the yearly price. And I'm excited about it. I've really been eating too much for my goals. And by too much, I'm talking about in reference to myself. I have very specific goals, and I have not been meeting them. Me, myself. Nothing about you. Okay. So, yeah, that is all the fitness stuff. Okay. The other thing I've been doing is buying things for my office. I live in a studio. I'm still decorating it, although I've come pretty far. Like, I'm getting really close on finishing decorating it, and part of that is having a full-on desk area. I've always wanted double monitors, and I kind of had that with my laptop and my tablet, but I was using my tablet more for notes, so that's not a second monitor to see things. And so I decided to get a desktop computer, and now that I've done that, the desk I've been using is a fold-out desk. It's a really cool desk for a studio. I've loved it for the last 3 years, but it's too small for my laptop, my tablet, and the desktop now that I have it, and I'm in love with it. Like, it makes me want to do work because the screen is so beautiful. Like, I literally want to sit and look at it because it's so bright and shiny. Like, I'm sure that feeling will fade away, but it probably won't as long as it always looks that way to me. Like, for me, I'm very big on novelty, and I'm very big on urgency. Like, I will wait until I have to do something to get the motivation to do it, and I'm very, very big on novelty. If it looks beautiful, if I want to enjoy the aesthetic of it, then I will do it. So those things really make me committed to my routines. So I really went all out about my dream desktop. I researched this website that had desktop profiles with links to things, and I did research about whether I should get an adjustable standing desk or a regular desk, and I decided on an adjustable standing desk. That is still coming, so that'll be in a different video when I set it all up officially. So I'm going to show you these things, but I can't really put them anywhere yet because of not having that longer desk. Once that comes, I'll be able to fully decorate it, and by it being so aesthetically pretty, I can just see myself wanting to be there, like to look at it, to be in it, to record in it. Like, I'm also thinking about recording content. Of course, I care about aesthetics before I started doing content because I can show you the pics, but like now that I'm also creating, I'm like, oh man, that's gonna be such a beautiful shot, which is a beautiful picture, which is of my life, and I'm gonna make a scrapbook this year. So I'm just shitting myself because I'm incredibly grateful for these experiences. So anyway, I am a PhD student writing my dissertation, and I am a content creator. So that means I have to use editing for MATLAB, RStudio, Python. I need to be able to run that software, and I also have editing software, so like iMovie, Wondershare, Premiere Pro, Adobe, those kind of things. And I need to be able to take class notes, and be able to write notes and annotate papers. I need to be able to like log the things I'm doing, and I want to look good doing those things. So those are the things that I have in mind when I bought these things. So I will show you an overview of my desk right now. This is what it looks like. This current tablet has fallen apart. I've dropped it a few times. So the pen case has disconnected where it keeps the tablet closed. So I bought a new case that has to where you're supposed to hold the pen inside of where it closed. So before, the pen is up here and the closing depends on the pen, whereas now the pen will be inside and it'll close. So I'm excited about that. I also got myself a new laptop case because I tried to buy one in the store, but all they had was like not cute ones essentially, and I'm more of a all black girl. So I got a new laptop case because the one I have, though I love my stickers on it, I'll just have to get some more, I have broken it. It has cracks and it comes off sometimes depending on where I'm moving, so it'll just fall off and scratch you on the leg, and it's just not a good time. So I bought a new laptop case and laptop keypad because I do be eating while working and I don't want to get sticky keys that I can't clean between. I'm going for a really all black aesthetic. I'm going for an all black vintage vibe, which is what you'll kind of get from these things. And then the desk is going to be the same wood as the current desk. So that's also the kind of vibe I went for, a lot of wooden things. So woody, black, vintage is the inspiration, some moody, dark academia vibes. So I got another book stand for multiple reasons. I feel like I could actually use it for books because it has these beautiful stoppers that come up like this, and so I can pack this in my purse and go outside and read with this, or I can hold my tablet on it or whatever. So I've really been thinking about that. Like, I really think this is such a good on-the-go book thing. Like, oh my god, do you see the woody vibes? Another wood item, I got one of these vertical laptop stands. So right now my laptop is on a stand that I use for connectivity, but now that I'm getting the right adapters to do everything on my desktop now, I want to use my laptop more for coding. So I'm using my desktop primarily for editing now and being able to hook up my hard drive and everything to that, and worrying about doing my dissertation research and writing on my tablet and on my laptop on the go. And I'm just really excited about that because now I can multitask to do both. Like, I can have my code running while I'm editing something, or something taking long over here, I can do there. And also just, it's beautiful. So I need to be able to hold all these things somewhere. So I got this really beautiful wooden stand for my laptop. So you just slide it in here and it holds it, and so it'll be held with this black case, and it's just black and wood and black and wood, and I want you to know that I am shitting myself right now. Okay. I also got this cool lamp. It's supposed to be a bookcase lamp or book shaped lamp. So according to the pictures and the images, it's kind of electronics where you open it and there's lights inside of it, and it looks like a book is open on your desk, but it's a lamp. And I think did I get the one with multiple colors? I don't know if I did or not. I personally do not remember. I also got one of those number clocks because I'm a slut for time. I got a new tattoo that's a pendulum. It's coming from my heart. It represents pendulum swinging of feelings and also how pendulums track time, and I'm just a slut for numbers. So I got one of these big number clocks. Oh, it's bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it would be smaller. So maybe I'll end up putting it on my wall. I don't know. We'll see, because like the desk is bigger than what I have now, but it ain't that big. So we'll see where she goes. She could go on the wall somewhere. That'd be really cute if I can't put it on the desk. But I got her for the desk. And then I got this vintage design Bluetooth speaker for functionality, also for decor anywhere in my room. This just called to me. I saw it and I was like, oh, yes, I will. The one I have now is blue, and it's a good like hanger one, but she's beautiful. She has an antenna. An antenna, are you kidding me? I grew up with some old folks. I hung around the old folks, so I like the way the old shit look, okay? Speaking of, my favorite part of this haul, oh my god, this was expensive. I won't hold you, it was expensive, but I'm losing my mind. I got a typewriter keyboard. Yo, are you listening to me? I said I got a typewriter keyboard. A retro classic typewriter keyboard in wood and black. Oh, and I got the mouse that comes with it for my desktop. The thing I'm editing my videos on. I'm sorry, novelty makes me do things. I probably won't go back to long nails anytime soon because I'm just going to be typing and writing my dissertation on a typewriter. Oh my god. I'm just thinking about it. Just thinking about it has me incredibly excited. I love it so much. I love it so much. I'm crying. I'm really crying. Like, do you see the tears in my face? I'm losing it. I'm personally very happy about this. So yeah, this is everything I got for my back to school part of this haul, you know, like the school part. And oh, I love it. I'm so excited. It's the most fun back to school shopping I've ever done. Like normally it's just notebooks and pens. And like last year was when I bought my laptop and tablet. I bought it August of last year in 2022. And then the year before that I had got my my Samsung tablet. Like, so every couple of years I'll upgrade what I'm getting to work on and with. So this has been a long time coming for me. I'm grateful to finally be here and I'm excited for what this would do for my productivity. Okay, the last section is a few of the things that I got for my content creation journey. So making these videos for you, for me, and I wanted to upgrade my equipment because of some recent circumstances. My external hard drive crashed, as we know, and I lost some footage, a lot of footage. I still haven't been able to see if I can get it restored at all, so I'm still waiting on that. So I had to buy a new one so that I can keep filming content. So I had to buy a new external hard drive. I got that from a local store when I got my desktop computer. And then I also finished paying off the camera I'm using. I bought it on Amazon using one of those payment plans, and I finally finished paying it off. So I officially own this camera. It feels different now. I feel like I'm really in this game. Because of that, I also had to buy a new camera lens cap. I lost mine very quickly, so I bought a 2-pack so that I could actually safely put this in my bag. I do now anyway, and I have to often clean the lens with my rag, and so I want to do that less. So I bought some caps and I bought a case so that I could take it around more easily. Like I said, I have all these bags now so that I can put my bags in my bags in my bags on some organized shit, and I want to make carrying this around a little easier. I got this USB-C SIM card reader for my phone. So I'm recording on here, right? And it's going to save to an SD card. And I want to be able to plug that SD card up into my phone. So if I ever do a quick video for a friend or for myself, or if I want to film, I can use this camera to film, what do you call it? Like vertical content as well. So I could easily transfer that to my phone very easily with this. So that's why I got this. I will start posting more on my TikTok and Reels type vibe in the upcoming year, so I just want to get used to practicing that. I'm not prioritizing that at all this year. I'm still prioritizing long form content at least once a week. So yeah. And then I did get a new tripod stand for my camera. Right now it's on one of those small tripod stands that's maybe like this big, which is super easy for making it portable. And I got this one so that I can use it in the gym because I've been watching the gym girl vlogs and I just be like, where are you putting your camera? Where are you putting your camera? Are you putting it on the floor? Are you putting it on the bench? Are you using a stand? Okay, you're using a stand. Where is it in the stand? Is it by your hips? Is it by your chin? Like, where are you putting your camera? And I've been practicing around my gym with my camera, but I don't have a lot of range, and I realized that if I did have a stand, I could use a stand. I could just, instead of like trying to find an appropriately heighted bench, which there never is, or try to hook it up on, wrap it around a wire somewhere, and which it dangles, and just being on the floor, and then you see all of everything. And so I'm just like, if I had a little more control over the angles, especially in the fitness content, it might be more easier for me to feel confident filming it. So I got a stand. I got a new stand. Oh, she has a bag. Oh, she is big. This is why she's going to the gym bag. Oh, she is big, honey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is a bag. What the fuck kind of tripod is this? It's apparently bigger than I thought. I don't know what I pictured for what I just described, but that's cool that the tightness thing is also the strap. Oh, it has the bag does that. That's crazy. I can't describe how happy this makes me. You have to take it apart for it to fit in the bag. I'm glad I put it together so that I know this, that I have to figure it out. Okay. I think that is everything. I think that is everything that I got. Oh my gosh. I really had a lot of fun recording this haul. I didn't think I was gonna do it because talking about spending money makes me anxious as a black woman. But I am excited about all this stuff. So I figured why not share it, because it's about continuing my journey in my fitness journey and my content creation and in my PhD. So I'm excited about how these tools will help me, and I can't wait to keep sharing my content with you and in my life. Like, I'm having so much fun. I feel so incredibly blessed. I got all this also as a birthday present for myself. So I'm September 5th. If you're a Virgo, comment down below and let me know when your birthday is, sis. And let me know if y'all are going back to school, back to work, back inside. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're getting on your productivity grind, subscribe, because we're getting the study vlogs coming. We're getting the week of workouts coming. We're talking about being real bitches, hard-working women. So I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friend. Okay. Now to put all this shit up. How long did that take me? That took me about an hour or so. I'm really excited about all this shit, bro. Like,